Welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. My name is Dominic, I'm currently in Dubai, and in this video I will show you a direct comparison of the DJI Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12. We will compare the video quality in different scenarios, different lighting scenarios, and I hope that you will find this video helpful, and I will be happy if you leave me a comment in the comment section down below about which quality you like best. Both cameras are set to their highest possible resolution. This is 4K on the DJI Action 4 and 5.3K on the GoPro Hero 12. Both cameras recording with 50 frames per second. Okay guys, this is a quick audio check comparing the internal microphones of the DJI Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12. I'm standing on the 27th floor of the Botanica Tower here at the beginning of the Dubai Marina. It's really a beautiful place. We have a little bit of wind, we have some construction noise from downstairs, and we have some air fans here just above me. We also hear some birds. So what do you think about the audio quality of both cameras, guys? Is there a difference? How do you like the audio quality of the DJI Action 4 compared to the audio quality of the GoPro Hero 12? Okay guys, this is another audio test comparing the internal microphones of the DJI Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12. We are now downstairs at a somehow busy street. We have some motorcycles, some cars, some trucks. We have a little bit of wind in the background coming from this side. So what do you think about the audio quality of both cameras? What do you think about the internal microphones of these small action cameras? Is the sound good? Is the sound bad? Leave me your opinion in the comment section down below.